Today, we will talk about how to start a house cleaning business. Let's have a look at the details. Cleaning your own home and cleaning professionally are two totally different things. If you're mulling over the possibility of starting your own house cleaning business, you'll need to be fit, prepared for some dirty work, and willing to market your services through friends, family, and other people in order to slowly build up your client base. It may take a while to build a solid group of clients, but with the right attitude, a good reputation, and word-of-mouth referrals, you'll eventually build a solid cleaning business. The first step is assessing your own suitability for cleaning as a business. Before you decide to start your cleaning business, make sure this kind of work is right for you. Consider your office skills. You will need to have basic office skills and some accounting skills. Be a good communicator. You need good customer relations skills and a willingness to engage with people. Consider your personal legal or criminal history. Many potential customers will consider you unwelcome to work in their homes, businesses, or near their children if you have a criminal record. Clear up any legal loose ends before applying to work for someone. Have backup savings where possible. If you're planning on leaving your full-time position to start a cleaning business, make sure you have at least 6 months of savings. Or, keep your full-time job and start out part-time. The second step is business planning basics. Plan the business as you do for any new business idea. Set up your accounting system. Charge reasonably for your work. Sell your services based on your quality of work and not your low rates. Get insurance and bonding. Insurance and bonding provide clients with reassurance, so you must be bonded and fully insured. The third step is supplies. Consider what supplies you need to purchase. If you're using your own equipment and products, you'll need to purchase them from a wholesaler to save money. Dress appropriately. While you won't be expected to wear your best clothes, it's important to present neatly and with clean clothing. Get transportation. You'll need a vehicle for attending clients' houses and carrying your gear. Consider the costs of hiring a car or van for cleaning days or purchasing a cheap car or van for constant use. Do the sums before deciding what is the best value. The fourth step is marketing, advertising, and getting clients. Develop your brand for marketing your services. Stick with the same logo and colors on both your printed advertising and on your website. Invest in a website. Having a website shows clients that you're serious about your business and it allows them to research your business in their own time. Advertise. Advertising your company and your image is essential to getting your services known and recognized. Print business cards and documents. Give your business cards to friends and family members, people you meet, on public boards, anywhere you can. Get a referral program. Offer existing clients a discount when they refer a friend. The fifth step is your first clients. Get your first clients. You can ask friends and family if you can clean their homes, and then get permission to use them as references. Go for quality. When cleaning the homes of your first clients, go for the very best quality you can give. Don't be shy about letting your clients know that you're seeking more clients. And the sixth step is growing your cleaning business. As you start to get more clients, you will be able to hire more part-time help. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.